When traveling, there's one accessory that you don't want to leave home without. It's the quick coupler from Trailer Gear. It's self-latching. You don't have to worry about going down the road and asking yourself, did I latch my trailer? Is it safely hooked? It's automatic. It gets rid of all that going in and getting out of the truck, hoping that the coupler is exactly over the ball. You can be 4 inches off and it still goes on. You just have to get close. It has a self-latching feature. This is a huge benefit as it automatically latches when lowering onto the ball. Another feature is the pull cable release. You don't have to get into the truck, you just simply pull the cable. It has a grease fitting to lubricate the ball and the coupler. It has the lock pocket to secure your trailer when you're unhitched from the truck. It has a 30,000 pound rating, the heaviest on the market. It has a lifetime warranty. And best of all, it's all American made. Don't travel without the quick coupler. It makes life a lot easier and a whole lot safer. Get one today.